Okay, page 21. All right, this is our last classwork page. And what we're given is line AFEC. I'm going to move the vase back a minute. I just want to go through this. AF is congruent to EC. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. And we need to prove, I'll come back over here to get it, ABE, that triangle there, is congruent to CDF there. Okay. Now, one of the things we do, we say 3 and 4 are congruent, but 1 and 2 are also congruent. The way the page was labeled, it's deceptive. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put an extra line on 3 and 4. Okay, 3 and 4 are congruent, 1 and 2 are congruent, but they're not all congruent to each other. So I just want to distinguish that. And then we have AF is congruent to EC. That's AF and EC, these little pieces. So if you see, it's getting a little crowded here with the symbols. I'll put those there. All right, and then we're going to move into the proof. In statement 1, AFEC, we have line AFEC, angle 3 is congruent to angle 4, and that's given. And then they said segment AF is congruent to segment EC, and that's also given. Now, we've got a reflexive property. Anytime there's a reflexive property, it's the same thing. So if we've got AF and EC, they're both going to contain this right here, EF. Okay? So the statement is EF, segment EF is congruent to segment EF. And what we're going to have to do next, our reason is the addition postulate. So we're going to have to put our sides together here. And the way that goes is AF plus FE equals CE plus FE. FE is the same as EF, okay? And by that, we can say AE, all right, from here to here, is congruent to CF, here to here. So now we have a side, okay? We have 3 and 4 are inside angles. We're going to have to find another angle. Looks like it might be E and F, I'm guessing. All right, we say angle 1 and 2 is given. So they're here. Now we've got linear pair theorem. Now what makes angles linear pairs is that they are supplementary. So we're going to say angle 1 and, not plus, but and angle CFD are supplementary. I'm going to get it all in there. There it is. Look at that. And then I'm going to say angle 2 and angle AEB. Okay? 1 in CFD, 2 in AEB here are supplementary. And that's our linear pairs theorem. And now, our reasoning, supplements of congruent angles are congruent. So we know 1 and 2 are the same, so this lets us say angle CFD is congruent to angle AEB. And now we've got an angle, a side, and another angle, and there it is. Angle, side, angle. Okay? All right, I hope everybody's doing okay. Stay safe and keep up the good work.